Greetings, beautiful family. I've done a video like this before, but we're gonna get right into it. I just had the thought, which I am now acting upon, and you are watching it come into creation. I am acting upon the thought. So, welcome to a new moment in creation. The thought was that I just go around my house and I share how I am utilizing the tensor rings. And basically, there's an infinite amount of ways. So, we're gonna start outside. And of course, we got a harmonizer walking in. Got this set up. Got a seed of life in the pickle, so that's already given you some ideas. I'm obviously wearing the rings. Coherence, harmony, vitality, life force energy, beneficial, constructive frequencies. We live in a sea of energy. We are just little fishies in a fishbowl. Here's my phone. This harmonizes electromagnetic fields, transmutes into beneficial, constructive energy. So, yeah, the phone's right there. I have a holy mace, which, use it to slay the internal demons in my mind, because it all starts there. The war is within. This is a set of self-healing rings, which I'm dropping off to a sister with a earth core for her water as an extra gift. So, yeah, this is the Sacred Lost in Empowerment in Harmonic Resonance. Got rings near the laptop. Got an Organite pyramid just chilling. Yeah, we'll go through. So, got a sound bowl here. The rings are great for playing with sound bowls. We will, before bed, just toss one under the pillow. And here we are going into the kitchen. So, I've got some tea going. Beautiful tea from Harmonic Arts. This one is amazing. The Cleanse Purifier. It's got burdock, alfalfa, pau d'arco, dandelion cleavers, Oregon grapefruit, red clover. So, as you can see, I'm charging up everything with Tensor Tech, even the maple syrup, even the fruit, the oil of oregano. Yeah. So, obviously, infusing that. And then, there's so many ways. I'm just gonna take these rings off my neck. And, rings can go over the faucet. Rings can go over the shower. I've done a whole video on this, but I'm just reclaiming and acting upon this thought. Literally, just imagine everything is being charged up and infused by these pillars, this beam of light. Yeah, and then obviously just having them on your body. I'm gonna sit down here and do a little meditation. I'm wearing them. You can tuck them into spots that you want to bring extra light to. Just picture the light beam coming off the ring that's bringing harmonic information, coherent energy, frequencies, life force that is increasing the vitality of our being and holding space, holding the light of love for us to tap into ourselves. And they are tools, they are assistants in this journey, and very divine ones indeed. So that's a little quick rundown. I feel that you get it, and I feel like this video was delivered with pristine perfection, leaving you in the love and in the light of the one infinite toroidal field. I'll see you soon. Shoo!